Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and add watermark to your CapCut video on PC or MacBook. I'm using MacBook application. After that, on desktop version it should look something similar to. So you want to go ahead and first import your video here. Once you have imported it, you want to go ahead and drag it to the timeline. And now here you have your video. If you want to go ahead and add watermark like a text, so you need to go ahead and click on text and drag this default text to the video itself, just like so, and adjust it. So it would be, for example, through the whole video. Now to change the text, just write it right there. For example, I'm just gonna write down storm, and this is my watermark. You can go and adjust it, for example, add it something like so. Now you can change the font size, you can change the font itself to make it look more cool. So for example, let's choose this option. Now after that, you want to go ahead and scroll a little bit until you see this blend option, and then make opacity not so bright. For example, something like so. And maybe let's make it bigger. And that's how you add a text watermark. If you want to go ahead and add an image like a logo, then you want to go ahead and insert basically a media. So let's go here, import a. Now once you imported the media, you want to go ahead and drag it right there. Again, adjust it, make it smaller, or even duplicate it if you want to. And then again, you can go ahead and do the blend, just like so. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.